Hi, I am Maki. Ramen is one of Japan's most beloved food. Ordering and eating ramen can be a fun and tasty experience. In this video, we will show you how to order ramen in Japanese using a vending machine and speaking with the staff, as well as how to eat the ramen like a pro. Ramen in Japanese is ramen. Ramen. When we are going to have a ramen, the first step is to use the vending machine to select your ramen and pay for it. Don't worry, if you don't read Japanese, most machines have picture and price to help you choose. Vending machine in Japanese language is 自動販売機自動販売機自動 meaning automatic. 販売機 meaning vending machine. Japanese usually simply say 自販機自販機自販機. To use the vending machines, first insert your money into the machine. Then select the item you want by pressing the button with a picture and name of the dish. Finally, take the ticket that displays from the machine. If you are not sure what type of ramen to order, here are some popular options to try. They are shoyu ramen, shoyu ramen, miso ramen, miso ramen, miso ramen, tonkotsu ramen, tonkotsu ramen, tonkotsu ramen, and tsukemen, tsukemen, tsukemen. If you are not sure what to order, a ramen set is a great choice. It includes not only a bowl of delicious ramen, but also rice and a side dish to make a complete meal. Ramen set in Japanese language is ramen setto, ramen setto. And some of the popular side dishes are gyoza, gyoza, karaage, 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 edamame, edamame, edamame. And beer in Japanese is biru, biru, biru. You could also choose the topping from the vending machine. There are many delicious toppings to choose from to enhance your ramen. Here are some of the most popular ones. Char siu, char siu, char siu. Negi, negi, negi. Nori, nori, nori. Kong, kong, kong. Menma, menma, menma. After selecting your ramen, ticket with your choice will be printed out by the vending machine. Once you have your tickets, go inside the shop and find a seat. Hand your ticket to the staff member at the counter, and then they will ask you about the texture of your ramen. The staff member will ask you, how would you like your ramen? Firm, regular, or soft? In this case, firm in Japanese is kotteri, kotteri, kotteri. Regular is futsu, futsu, futsu. And soft in Japanese is assari, assari, assari. Each type of ramen has its unique flavor and textures, so you could experiment and find your favorites. If your choice of ramen didn't mention the preference of soups, the staff may also ask your soup preference. They are shoyu, shoyu, sio, sio, miso, miso. Then after that, you could just take the seats and wait for the ramen. If you like this video, please thumb up our video, subscribe our channel and share to your friends. Please don't forget download the restaurant conversation cheat sheet for your Japanese study. 一緒に頑張りましょう. See you next lessons.